Here's my review of the John Deere Sandbox Big Scoop. Now this thing is awesome, especially for maybe a 1 to 3-year-old's child. It's got a really long arm which moves in 3 different places. Here's the first place here, the second place is right here, and the third place is the entire arm itself. So kids can actually come up to this thing and hold it, and they can scoop sand and move it around. Now it also will tilt around like this, so as you're playing in the sand you can pick up some sand and move it out over here. It's all 15 inches and they call this frustration free packaging, so it absolutely was frustration free, and I think it will be a frustration free toy as well. So I hope you enjoy. Also, the quality of the plastic is quite good. I wouldn't give it an A+, but it's quite good overall, and this is a really comfortable handle. So hope you enjoy the toy and your kids do as well.